Before you start your quadrocopter, insert the batteries into the remote control unit. Use the screwdriver provided to remove the cover and insert the batteries supplied. Make sure they are positioned as described to ensure correct polarity. Remember to replace the cover and screw it tight with the screwdriver provided. The next step is to unscrew the quadrocopter power pack cover, disconnect the fully charged power pack from the lead and insert it in the compartment. Screw the power pack cover tight again. And connect the power pack with your quadrocopter. Make sure the remote control unit and the quadrocopter are switched on, and connect them to each other by lifting and dropping the left-hand lever. We now wish you an enjoyable flight.